So we're finishing up a little infrastructure project here today. I'm running water, power, and a hardline Ethernet out to my orchard and garden. We're putting in a couple internet control irrigation valves and a couple more water spigots. I had a water line break, so replacing that line up to this building too. But finishing up our irrigation and power needs for a few things. But this is just a basic video on how to back drag across a trench. If you haven't had a lot of experience with a backhoe or a loader or something like that and you're trying to do this or trying to figure out a way to do it, this is kind of just going to show that. You saw a little bit there. Kind of the idea is you use the loader to support you, and you kind of slide over that edge and come down, and then that supports the front wheels across the trench and you back drag out of it. I've got a little bit longer bucket because I've got about an extra 3 inches worth of these. I got this piranha tooth bar on this loader. This is a John Deere 2032R, and this is I think it's a 13-foot wide bucket that I dug this trench with. So we're going to go ahead and finish up filling this in. See, it goes pretty smooth. I got a little off with my bucket control and dropped myself into the ditch, but I'm not in four-wheel drive because I'm on this concrete, and it really just is hard on the machine if you're in four-wheel drive. And if you don't need it, really I'd go to the I've got a locker here I can hit with my foot for the back tire if I really needed a little bit of extra power. But hopefully that helps somebody out, give you some basic information on how to do something like this. We'll see you later.